In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure the Compare at Price displays correctly on your Shopify store. This is an essential feature for any online retailer, as it shows your customers the original price against your current offer, making discounts more visible and effective. We'll go through the necessary steps to check and adjust your settings, explore potential app conflicts, and troubleshoot any persisting issues. Let's begin with verifying your pricing fields. First, navigate to your Shopify admin panel and go to Products. Then, click on All Products. Thus, here you'll find a list of all the items in your store. Select the product you're having trouble with. Scroll down to the pricing section of the product details page. The key here is to ensure that the Compare at Price field is correctly filled in and is higher than the price field. This is crucial because a lower Compare at Price can cause display issues. Once you've validated these fields, remember to save your changes. This step is fundamental in fighting display errors. Next, we need to check for app compatibility. Go to Settings in your Shopify admin, then click on Apps and Sales Channels. You'll see a list of all the apps you've installed on your store. Here, you should look for any apps related to pricing, product display, or discounts. These types of apps can sometimes interfere with how the Compare at Price is displayed. If you identify any such app, consult its documentation or reach out to the app developer to determine if it's causing issues. Checking app compatibility is an essential process for maintaining a seamless shopping experience. Now, let's move on to testing and troubleshooting. After making your adjustments, it's important to visit your storefront and refresh the product page. If the Compare at Price still isn't appearing correctly, try clearing your browser's cache or use a different browser to eliminate any caching problems. If these steps don't solve the issue, consider reaching out to Shopify support for further assistance. They can offer more technical insight or potentially identify any underlying problems. If you find yourself needing to update the Compare at Price for multiple products, don't worry. Shopify provides a handy tool for this, the Bulk Editor. Start by navigating to Products and then All Products in your Shopify admin. Select the products you want to edit by checking their boxes. Then, click on Bulk Edit. This feature allows you to modify the Compare at Price and Price fields for multiple products at once, making updates efficient and straightforward. By following these steps, you should have the ability to troubleshoot and fix the issue of the Compare at Price not appearing on your Shopify store. Implementing these solutions ensures your discounts are visible and appealing, effectively drawing in customers and boosting sales. Thank you for watching and happy selling. Mais sois.